The Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10 Chief Meteorologist Kevin Orbert, awarded the AMS Seal of Approval by the American Meteorological Society.
And with a clearing sky, there is no precipitation showing up on the Storm Team Fury, as you might expect. We continue this dry stretch of weather, and it's going to continue right into the weekend. So you might as well just keep in mind that it's going to again be continually dry, and so you need to watch your burning. Be careful when you burn. Paris has 39, Mattoon 37. See, here's this line of clearing. Casey has 43 and Robinson 46. So we have here in Terre Haute 37 degrees. So temperatures are a little bit cool, and when you step outside, you notice there's a chill in the air. Relative humidity is up a little bit. It's at 70% in Mattoon. It's 64%. Robinson has 50%. And the wind speed, just a very light breeze out of the northeast right now at about 6 miles per hour. Robinson, about 6 miles per hour. So just a very light breeze out there. It's not really doing much, kind of rustling the old dry leaves a little bit. And here's this line of clearing. As you can see, it's gradually sagging down, but we do have some moisture down here to the south. And I can give you a bigger picture here to kind of show you a couple of things that are happening. If you look at a weather map, you look for some signatures about things that might be coming or things that might be causing some upheaval in the atmosphere. Here's one right here, okay? So this is an area of low pressure, and here is another one. This is a cold front. And so this area of low pressure, that's what's pushing some clouds up into southern Illinois and southern Indiana. And then here's that cold front, and this will be the major player in our weather. Not this low, because this is going to glide right across the upper limits of the Gulf of Mexico, perhaps right along the Gulf Coast states. But this cold front now, this one is going to do a couple of things. First of all, it'll bring us a halfway decent day tomorrow. Temperature about 59 degrees. We'll have some sunshine. But then we get into Wednesday evening, and more clouds start to move in. And as this front approaches, it becomes quite windy. So Thursday is going to be a windy day. And probably no precipitation mixed up with this. This will be a dry front, but it's going to really noticeably lower our temperatures as higher pressure moves in. So what we have, and high pressure, colder air tends to be heavier air, and so that would be the reason for high pressure. Futurecast is trying to indicate a slight chance for some rain, especially in eastern and northeastern Indiana. We'll see about that. I'm not so sure that's going to affect us, but if that does, we'll keep you posted about that. Right now, I'm keeping rain out of the forecast. So a low tonight of 28 degrees, just a very light breeze. It will continue to clear as we go through the overnight. And then for tomorrow, a high of about 59 degrees. You know, not a bad day. Wind from the west at about 8 miles per hour. It will be mostly sunny. And then by tomorrow night, as that next cold front starts to come in, it won't be quite as chilly tomorrow night. It'll be 37 degrees, a northeast wind, and mostly cloudy. Those clouds are ahead of the front. Now, watch what this front does. Look how it affects us over the next 7 days. So we have tomorrow a high of 59, then Thursday 51 for the high, and Friday only 45 degrees with a low of 27. So now we're getting into temperatures that, especially for the weekend, are going to be colder than average. The typical high for this time of year ought to be in the upper 50s to about 60 degrees. So we're going to get into a chilly spell. The thing about it is it will continue to be dry. And with cool air, which tends to be dry anyway, we'll continue this sort of droughty situation. And we're not out of the woods yet as far as the lack of rainfall. We really need to get something in here to start to catch up on the rainfall that we've been missing out on. Mark, Patrice, grab your coats and get ready for the week.